Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm still looking at this as a potentially, or actually, I think it's very clearly a 1, 2, and 3. Most likely place for a wave 3 to go is the 161.8, which is still quite a ways up. Now, maybe we are due for a pullback on the shorter time frames, but I still think it's going to end up eventually looking something like this on the monthly time frame. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I still think this looks like a wave 1. I still think this looks like a wave 2. I think this is a wave 3, and I think we're in the subdivisions of that 3. This is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and we're currently in a wave 3 of wave 3, which is why it's been such a strong trend. And I do have a target around $2,550. So heading down to the daily, like I said, maybe we're due for a pullback, but when you're in a wave 3 of 3, you may think that there's a pullback coming. In reality, what just happens is it just keeps on making those higher highs and higher lows. So at least until I see some sort of evidence on this daily time frame, which I definitely do not see yet, this spike candle definitely doesn't prove anything to me at all. And I think that this is potentially just going to keep on going up, and we're still in a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it looks like we already have a complete ABC correction. Now looking at some other pairs, it kind of makes you think that maybe this will go down before it goes up. But like I said, when you're in a wave 3 of 3, you may think that price is going to go down. But in reality, what happens is it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, and it just keeps on trending up, which I still am thinking is the most likely scenario. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, to me this looks like one big ABC correction, and then this right here is probably a 1. I think this is likely a wave 2. I would be waiting for an engulfing move up at a Fibonacci level, which it really hasn't done yet. If this does make an engulfing move up, then I would definitely take it as a long, probably the end of a wave 2. And my next area of resistance is right before the 2440 area, and I think that would be a good place for this to make a wave 3, make a wave 4, and make a wave 5. So this would be just a subdivision of a much bigger trend that I was showing on the higher time frames. So like I said, I believe we're in a wave 3 of 3. Looks like on the shorter time frames we're in a 1, 2, and if that really is a 2, then this would be a great entry to go long for the wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.